Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Rpgshow, and today I'm going to be showcasing their ginger ombre lace front wig. Now this is what it looks like straight out of the package, but y'all, this has been sitting in the box for about a month, so don't mind me. It definitely will get a refreshing, okay? Now this unit does come with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band. I forgot to mention the length on this unit. It is 20 inches. This is also 200% in density. You can definitely see how thick and full it is. I washed my unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just going to go ahead and tighten up my straps. I also tightened up that band. And this is a cap size one, so it fits on my head perfectly. I don't have any issues with the fit. To cut some of that excess lace off on the side because I like for it to sit above my ear, and then I'm going to place some wax around the front of the hairline. This wax was coming off a little bit greasy, but that's okay. I'm going to use my hot comb just to kind of press everything back because I did notice a lot of flyaways going on, and I don't want to cut off any extra hair when I get ready to cut off the lace. It does come with your new invisible knots and real scalp. It also comes with your upgraded pre-plucked hairline. I feel like the hairline on this looks really good. I'm going to be using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold today because I want this to be really melted in. I'm just going to spread a little bit of the product on my skin and place the lace on top and just lightly tap it in. A little bit for me goes a long way, but I don't really go for like a super strong hold. And I have not tried this when it's really hot outside, so that's a video for a whole nother day. But I'm going to use my blow dryer to speed up the process. It does not take long for this to dry down. Show you guys what that parting space looks like, and this is a 13 by 6 once again, and I feel like you can part this pretty far back, so you're not stuck with just parting this in the middle. You can absolutely part this on the side. Now the lace is coming off a bit red, but you guys know I'm going to go in and fix that up. Watching me for a minute, you know if I'm going to rock a side part, it's going to be a curved side part, so I'm going to curve that over. Then I'm going to place my wax at the top because I need this to lay down really nice and flat, and use my hot comb to press everything down. Now I'm also going to pull out a little bit of shorter hairs because I do want some swoops. You guys see I'm not pulling out a lot because I don't want them to come off looking bulky. It does come a bit layered already. However, I added just a little bit more to the front. I am going to pin some of this hair up so I can focus on curling it because this is so thick. I did not want to take large pieces. I'm going to be using my flat iron because I want like these really loose kind of barrel curl waves. Y'all know I don't know how to use a curling iron yet, but one day I'm gonna work on it. But the curls came out really pretty. As you see, I do have to flat iron the hair first, especially at the ends because it was frizzy. did take me some time to curl this unit, so I'm going to curl the rest off of camera. I'm going to pin that side back, and then I'm also going to do my makeup, and then let's finish off the wig. But yes, who's that? I came back looking real spiffy, real nice and clean. So I'm going to take my elastic band off so I can focus on the front of the hairline, and I'm going to cut this down just a little bit more, not too much. And then I'm going to curl this because I am going to swoop this over, and I'll be using my olive oil fix it whole spray to swoop that into place. The lace is a little bit on the redder side. I am going to go in with a bit of a lighter powder into the parting space area just to kind of help brighten it up and make it look more scalp-like. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of powder in front of the hairline area just to kind of open it up also. Done adding my powder, I'm going to go ahead and remove these clips, and there was a few little areas I had to touch up, but once I touch up those areas, I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm going to fluff up these curls. I'm also going to go in with my wide tooth comb and kind of comb out the bottom because I don't want it to like look too heavy, because I want it to go for more like a little looser curl like that on that side. Now this side, I think I curled a little bit more tighter. I wanted that bang look, but the look is definitely all gonna come together. Is the final look, and this wig is definitely doing its thing. I'm gonna make sure to turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm only 5'2" for reference, and you can see that it is nice and full, and those curls are looking really good. This will look really cute if you wanted to put this into a ponytail also. Lace in the hairline is just chef's kiss. It looks so good. But guys, I want you to stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this wig. This, and it came out really cute, but I do want to tell you guys my final thoughts. Now I think that this color is really pretty. This is going to be a great color, especially for the summertime. Now I feel like the camera is not doing it justice because it is a little bit dark outside because it's about to rain, and I don't like to have my lights up too high. So the color is definitely more vibrant. It is a darker root area, and then it gets a bit more lighter towards the bottom. I feel like you can transition this also into the winter time, the fall and winter time too. And if you really like a color, you can rock it all year long. But for me, this is one I would rock in the summertime. I had no issues with installing this unit. You guys seen I went in with my boho liquid gold. It's a tinted lace, so it makes it easier to blend in. Now I did notice once everything dried down, the lace appeared to be a little bit redder. So I went in with a lighter powder in the front area just to kind of help open it up and look more scalp-like. And then I put some powder into the parting space area. I did add a little bit of my swoopy dupes on the side. I didn't add too many, and I didn't want them heavy. Didn't add too many, and I didn't want them looking heavy because I don't want to take away from this hairline. And they did pluck this baby out. Like, look at this hairline. They do a really good job with making their hairlines look super natural. So you're not gonna have to go in and do anything. The knots on this are bleached. I decided to go with a side part and some flat iron curls. I wanted to mimic the picture on the website. I feel like I got pretty close. I might have like a little bit of layers going on this side, but I feel like I got close. This style is really nice and sleek. This is one of my go-to styles, especially when I have some longer, heavier hair. I just prefer this like side part because it gives like a sew-in vibe. It looks really natural. This is 20 inches in length, and this is 200% in density. And yes, it is very, very full. It is very thick. So if you like the thicker densities, I don't think you're gonna have any issues with this. If you feel like this is going to be too heavy, you can go on the website and see if they offer a lower density. When I took this unit out of the package, I felt like it was really frizzy. So I wanted to go in with my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner to see if I can knock some of that frizz out. And I also noticed a little bit of dryness and some snags when I ran my fingers through it before I washed it. So after I washed it and it dried down, I still noticed some frizziness, but y'all, the snags on this, especially towards the bottom, were really real. I'm not sure if it's because of the color, but I feel like you are gonna have to make sure to go in not only with some good conditioner to kind of tame that, but you also are gonna have to go in with some serum to control the frizziness and flyaways to kind of help it look sleek. Now you can't really see them too much because I did add the product in, but they were definitely real. During the styling process, I did have to kind of flat iron the bottom of the hair and then curl it because it was just so much frizziness going on. Now I'm still getting some snags when I run my fingers through it. The snags are not as bad as they were before. So I just feel like the color kind of dried it out a bit. So I'm hoping that it's not as dry once I start to wash it more over time. Even with the snags going on, I did notice a lot of shedding even during the styling process. I did have to cut into the lace on the side because I wanted my lace to meet above my ear, and I feel like the shedding was still very minimal. So it was just the snags that were getting to me. Overall, I think the style came out really pretty. My only issue were the snags that were going on and the dryness. So let me know what you guys think about this. If you are feeling this one, I'm gonna make sure to leave a link down below. Now if I have a coupon, I'm gonna make sure to leave that down below also, because y'all know Rpgshow can be is a little up there. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.